Loop-mediated isothermal amplification immunochromatography, LAMP-type, assay for rapid halal food authentication. Rising consumer demand for healthy, contaminant-free food, along with increased interest in halal certification, has underscored the need for reliable food authentication methods. Loop-mediated isothermal amplification LAMP is a rapid and efficient DNA amplification method that has been widely applied in various fields, including halal food authentication. This chapter highlights the development of immunochromatographic IC-strip tests and LAMP-based nucleotide detection combined with IC-LAMP-IC as in-house halal authentication kits. IC-strip tests were designed to detect pork adulteration in beef or chicken mixtures, achieving sensitivity up to 15000-110,000 in raw samples, though they are currently ineffective for cooked foods. In contrast, LAMP-IC effectively detects dog and pig DNA in cooked meat boiled at 100 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes within a single reaction at 68 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, followed by IC strip analysis in 5 to 30 minutes. These findings demonstrate LAMP-IC as a practical and promising tool for halal food authentication. Introduction. The global rise in the Muslim population has significantly increased the demand for halal certified food, making halal integrity a key concern. Ensuring that products meet halal standards, especially in meat, requires preventing contamination with non-halal substances like pork and dog meat. Despite clear Islamic guidelines on halal slaughter, verifying authenticity across the supply chain remains challenging. To address this, advanced molecular techniques using genomic and proteomic tools have been developed for accurate species identification and halal verification. This chapter focuses on laboratory-based methods for detecting non-halal meats, such as pork and dog, and their derivatives, contributing to efforts that strengthen halal food authentication and support reliable certification processes. Conclusion. This chapter presents our research on developing diagnostic tools for halal food authentication, starting with immunochromatographic IC assays and progressing to an integrated LAMP-IC approach. While IC assays effectively detect pork adulteration in raw samples, they are limited in identifying cooked contaminants. The LAMP-IC method overcomes this by enabling detection in cooked meat through a simple 30 minutes amplification at 68 degrees Celsius, followed by a rapid IC-based readout. This combined method offers a practical, accurate, and time-efficient solution for halal verification, especially in processed food products. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.